So the next session, we'll talk about the low-cost sensors. But I have many questions on low-cost sensors. Like, what are these? Are these the ones where you buy online in Lazada, or I don't know where you buy online, uh, that you can just put on your table and it measures how much PM 2.5 is in the room? Or is this like the ones that are co-located in government established monitoring stations? I hope this session today can provide some answers to this. We will have first a presentation from our experts, colleagues in the Network Center, Dr. Aki Yuba, and it will be followed by a panel wherein we will have representatives in this room, experts and government officials. We have Dr. Kao, Professor Kim Wan, others who are in the room later. After Dr. Yuba's presentation talking about the local sensor, the idea for us is to ask the representatives, the professors, the experts, our government officials who are also part of EANET and going to work on this topic, experts from research institutions and NGOs, and also an organization who is already going to implement or is already implementing some project on local sensor in Thailand. We will hear about that. So maybe if I can ask Professor Kim Wan to join us in front. Professor Kim Wan, I've known for more than 20 years, and I know that she have done a lot of work on VOCs, local sensors, through many of her students. Professor Kim Wan, thank you very much for joining us. Next, I would like to call on Dr. Kao, who is the director of our partner organization, or the national focal point of EANET, I should say, in Vietnam. Dr. Kao, please. And then we have Ms. Dang from Cleaner Asia, who has done a lot of work on air quality management in general, but a specific project on local sensors that they did for Quezon City, and that she will be able to share this information later on. We have our representative from Air Parif, Karine Lige, who is joining us online, and she will give us a few slides on the work that they are already doing in Thailand.